Welcome back to my channel. So during this video I am going to be sharing with you all what I received in my Lurella's August subscription. I'm all over the place. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I like this brown box. This month's theme is Alex from Lurella. This is the card and this is Alex, and everything's listed on the back what I received in this box. So let's get started. So the August box, it says, "Hi guys, this is Alex from Lurella introducing August's subscription box featuring our newest palette, Make a Wish. This palette was created to honor our 4th birthday." 4 years? I thought they were all longer than that. Maybe not. We want to thank you for being a part of our Lurella fam. We would not be here today without your love and support. Thank you for helping us create a lasting beauty community where beauty is available for all. So let's go ahead and get started with what I got in my box. I love my box this month. I love my box. So we're going to start out with the Make a Wish eyeshadow palette. It's just this little neutral packaging, and then it's all of these brown tone shades, neutral shades. This is like an everyday palette. You can travel with this palette. You can do a whole lot with this palette, unless you want color. Now if you want something basic like this, this is like a good go-to. I like color. I don't wear color all the time. Most of the time I do, so I'm not totally lie. But I do like these tones. Like when I'm in a rush in the mornings, these are my go-to shades. I pop on a crease shade, maybe one of those type shades, and then just a shimmer lid when I'm just going to my filming. That's my go-to look. So this is perfect for that. If you want a nice palette, you can just easily just dib and dab into and keep pushing and keep moving. So this is the eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $21. So the next item are my 2 brushes, and I think they gave me these brushes before. It's a setting brush and look like a highlighter brush because it's so fluffy and long. But I do have these 2 brushes from a previous box, and that's okay. That's okay for me because I love this setting brush for under my eye area when I'm setting my powders. This is an awesome brush. I like their brushes. And those brushes retail for $14 for both of the brushes. The next item I have is the eyeliner in the shade black. And I love this liner, and I'm glad they sent me another one. I use it like faithfully. I use this liner. It's the nicest liner in my opinion. It glides on really good and really smooth. And I was going to buy another one, but it worked out that they sent me another one in my box. And this retails for $10. This is a nice liner, a really nice liner. The next item I have is the mini sponges, and you get 3 sponges and then a cleansing bar inside of it. So you get 3 of those. And these are perfect for setting your base on your eyes, whether you use a concealer or eyeshadow bases. I love using them for that purpose when I set my base for my shadows. And these retail for $8. The next item I have is the setting spray, and it's the Lurella Matte Setting Mist. And I wanted to purchase this, so I'm glad this was in my box as well. That's why I do like purchasing their box. I think it's $29, but you pretty much get what you probably keep your eyes on if you really like their stuff and you want to try something different. I would recommend the subscription box because you never know what you're going to get, but you also may get some stuff that you're eyeing on the website that you may be buying separately that adds up to more than the $29, and you're still getting the eyeshadow palette and other items, because this retails for $16 alone. And you got to think, when you get in a box for $29 and you luckily get this or something else that you were looking for on their website other than the new eyeshadow palette that they're releasing that month, that's a pretty good deal in my opinion. A month to treat yourself. This is the only subscription box I'm subscribed to right now, and I love it for the $29.99 I believe per month, but I love it. So again, this one retails for $16. Now these other 3 items are not on this box on this card for the month at all, so I don't know if it was a mistake or what it was, but I got 3 additional items in my box. And one of them is the Lurella's lip gloss. I threw the box away because I didn't even pay attention to the card. I don't know if it's the glossy gloss, but this one is in the shade As If, and it's this white frosted shimmery glittery, you can see the reflex in it, gloss. I would put some on, but I don't want to mess up my gloss that's on now. And then I have a liquid lipstick in the shade Diva, and it's like this brown tone, orange brown, burnt on, I don't know, I'm colorblind. All the way colorblind, but I like this. Now I do have one lipstick, I think it's in my purse. No, it's this one, and they look similar. The formula in these tubes, the liquid lipsticks, are really, really nice. I'm not a lipstick person. I love my glosses, but this is more like a gloss, but it's a liquid lipstick. So that's why I'm excited about this one as well, because this one is really, really, really nice. So again, this one is in the shade, again, Diva. And I'm looking forward to using this baby. The last item I have in my box is a liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Drip, and this is like the prettiest gold liquid eyeshadow, because I actually swatched this, and I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand so you can see it. It's so pretty, and I think I want to use it. Look at it, it's like really pretty, really pretty, and it's so creamy and soft. It's not like that patchy, and you can see the reflex in it. So I'm going to be looking forward to using this. I have another one that they sent me in another box. I'm going to pull out this somewhere in all this stuff. But I am going to be using one of these to see how it works and performs, because they are really, really pretty. And it's really nice. And it dried down really, really well. So I can't wait to use those. And I'm definitely going to be using this Make-A-Wish palette, use an eye look soon. Probably sooner than we all think, because I'm definitely going to get my use out of it. But those are the items I received in my Lurella's August subscription box. Like I said, and I can't rave enough about the company, the brand. Their boxes are like amazing to me, because I love eyeshadow palettes, and I like the fact that you get the eyeshadow palette before they actually release it for sale, so you get to kind of enjoy it a little bit before they actually put on their website for people who are not subscribed to purchase it. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed what I received, because I absolutely love this box. Like I said, I got 3 additional items that were not listed on this card. And if you're subscribed, let me know if you got 3 additional items. Did you receive those 3? Did you receive the same items I have? Because I don't know if anybody get different items in their box. I'm not sure. I don't know, because I've never really just watched a whole lot of their subscription boxes. But I want to know if everybody received the same thing that purchases the box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have not done so already, please comment, like, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And become a part of my YouTube family here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.